If Tn is the nth triangular number, then find the value of 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T2 plus 1 upon T3 and so on 1 upon T 2002. So first, what is a triangular number? So what are triangular numbers? So most of us will have a doubt in this. What are triangular numbers? So triangular numbers are nothing but a pattern of numbers which form some equilateral triangles. If I can draw the shapes like this is one dot, this is one triangle. Equilateral triangle in the sense it makes sense, some side lengths are equal, and we can extend this by taking the dots continuously, and we can extend so on. So in first figure we can find one dot, and in second figure we find three dots, and in the next figure we will find six dots, and in the next one we will find here total 10 dots, and so on. And this 3 is nothing but we can write 1 plus 2, right? And 6 is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus 3. If I can observe carefully, these are nothing but sum of 3 natural numbers is this figure. And coming to the next one, sum of 4 natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and so on. Suppose if there isn't some nth triangular number, there is some nth triangular number. So what it could be? So the first triangular number is 1, sum of 1 natural number. Second triangular number is sum of 2 natural numbers. Third triangular number is sum of 3 natural numbers, and so on it continues. The nth triangular number is nothing but sum of n natural numbers. That is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on to n. So which equals to sum of n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. And here it is given Tn is the nth triangular number. So what is Tn now? Tn is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n into n plus 1 by 2 is the number. And 1 upon T1 plus 1 upon T2. So now we consider here 1 upon T3 and so on 1 upon T 2002. This number we can write it as 1 upon T1 is nothing but sum of one natural number, that is 1 into 1 plus 1 2 by 2, that is only 1 you will get. And the next number, so 1 upon T2, T2 is 2 into 2 plus 1 3 divided by 2. So let me write here also 2 by 2 will come here in the numerator, and here also into 2. And the next number 1 upon 3, n into n plus 1, 3 into 4 divided by 2, and so on up to let me write one number before that, T 2001 also let me write here. So 1 upon 2001 into 2002 divided by 2, and the next number 1 upon 2002 into 2003 divided by 2. So here I can take out 2 common, and the remaining numbers are 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4, and so on. 1 by 2001 into 2002 plus 1 by 2002 into 2003. This is another series of pattern numbers. So where we can remember in this way, 1 by n into n plus 1 is nothing but 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. By taking LCM, 1 by n into product of two consecutive numbers, n into n plus 1 is equal to 1 upon n minus 1 upon n plus 1. So we can use the same concept. 2 times of 1 upon 1 into 2 can be written 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, and 1 upon 2 into 3 we can add 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and 1 upon 3 into 4 we can add 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4, and so on, plus 1 by 2001 into 2002 we can add 1 upon 2001 minus 1 upon 2002 plus 1 upon 2002 minus 1 upon 2003. Okay, and here we can find some terms gets cancelled here. Almost all terms gets cancelled except the first and last. So 2 times of 1 minus 1 by 2003. So this is 2 times of 2003 minus 1, 2002 divided by 3. This is 4004 divided by 2003 is the sum. Therefore the sum of the numbers 1 upon t1, 1 upon t2 and so on 1 upon t2002, where tn is the nth triangular number. So we can give this answer. So the answer is 4004 upon 2003.